Hi, in this video I will show you how to create unlimited email accounts. Sometimes we need multiple emails, more than one. Like if you are serving service provider of TikTok shop, eBay, or any kind of uh, service like that, then you need new email every time provide service or do any kind of work. So if you create with Google, after sometimes it will ask you to add your phone number, and they will not allow to create like a 10 email, 20, 30, or whatever you want to create. But now I will show you how to create multiple email, and let's get started on my computer screen. So right now I am on my laptop screen. I will if you are on the Chrome browser, you can click on add Chrome profile. I will click here and I will continue without an account. Email test. I will put, you can type any kind of name here. I will put done and type Outlook live, or you also can do Hotmail live. It is the both things are same. Okay, so you can see that the same link has been open. So I will click here and I will remove that. So here you can create multiple email accounts, but you also need to care of that after 7 days it will ask you to add recovery email address in that email. So you can create one Hotmail or Outlook email from that, and you can consider it main as a main email, and then you can add after 7 days it will ask you to add email in the bag for the security. You can add this email instead of phone number. So I will click here sign in. You can click here as well, and I will create one, because we are going to create new account. And here you can choose a type, Outlook or a Hotmail, where you can create you can go one of them, whatever you like. I will do here one x Suhail 5732. I will click next, and now I can put my password here, and green check mean it is save. I will hit next. We can choose any kind of date here, January. So you can, so no need to check. If you want, if you need information, you can click there, otherwise you can skip that part as well. Save and press and hold. I will press and hold it, and here we go. We have created our, this is my, for a security purpose. You can skip that in your browser as well. Okay, so here we go. We have created email without adding phone number, and you can create multiple, but you need to care of that. You can click here and you can profile, you can add new profile, and it will create a separate Chrome browser instead of that one. So thank you so much. If you like the video, then hit on like button, and if you need any kind of more videos, then let me know. I will make more videos. So thank you so much.